In this tutorial, we're going to teach you how to customize your Mac. You may know, some you may not. First, most customizations will happen at the system's preferences. First, we'll talk about general. Your appearances can either be blue or graphite, and your highlight color can be whatever you choose. There's multiple other things that you could choose. I suggest trying and playing around with them. Next thing we'll talk about is the desktop and screensaver. There are multiple options for your screensaver. Just click and see which one you like. They'll always give you an example over to the side. By using this track bar here, you can set the time in which you want your screensaver to pop up. You can also test it by clicking Test. Now for changing your desktop picture. There's multiple options. You can choose from theirs, solid colors, or pick a picture from iPhoto. Once you click on it, it will change. There's another way to do it also. Click on a folder, right click or control click, and set as desktop picture. As you can see, it will change again. Now we're going to talk about customizing your dock, or what you see at the bottom. You can change the size of your dock by scrolling right and left on this bar. You can also change the magnification. That's how big it gets when your cursor is down at the bottom. You can change the position of your dock to the left, the bottom, or the right. By unmarking or checking these boxes, it changes different aspects. Try them, see if you like them. Automatically hiding your dock means that it will go away when your cursor is not there or at the bottom of your screen. You can also change what you see on your dock by clicking and dragging that folder to your dock. There's multiple options during the dock as well. If you control click, you can change how you view the content. Here's what a fan looks like. Here's what the grid looks like. And here's what a list looks like. Change what you feel is best. You can also change the way it looks, or the display. That's a stack, or you can just make it look like a folder as well. You can also get rid of apps or documents that you don't use on your dock. All you have to do is control click, options, and remove from dock. And poof, it's away. As you can see, iPhoto is no longer there. What if you want it back? All you have to do is go to Launchpad, find that app, and click and drag back to your dock, and it should be there again. Some of you might be wondering what the Launchpad is. Well, that's where all the apps are stored. As you can see here, I have multiple apps, and I also have folders. Imagine that. You can click on a folder and see that different apps are stored in that folder. To do this, all you have to do is hold down and click, and they start to shape. Now you can click and drag the two apps together, and a folder will pop up. You can rename it. I'm going to rename this one, let's see, Random. There's a lot of random stuff are in there. Now all I have to do is click and drag different apps into that random folder. I can also change where I see these by clicking and dragging. There's another window on my Launchpad where different apps are stored. I can click and drag those apps over, and I can put them in the folders, say Google, for example. For those of you that have iPads or iPods, this will be very intuitive because it's the same process that you do on your iPad or iPod.